If Profit Go feels a bit heavy for your team, or you're all in on Microsoft 365 and you're looking for a native alternative to Profit Go, this is the video for you, because today we're breaking down the top 5 Profit Go alternatives you should check out in 2026. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First up is Teamflect, and if you're in the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, you're using Microsoft Teams or Outlook, this is the app for you. You can stop the video right here, because Teamflect brings your OKRs, performance reviews, feedback, surveys, and recognitions, and so much more right into Microsoft Teams and Outlook. No extra logins, no separate apps to learn, nothing else. You can set and track your goals, run one-on-one meetings, and even collect 360-degree feedback without ever leaving your usual workspace. Teamflect syncs everything automatically from Entra ID, which means onboarding your entire organization and user adoption is instant and effortless. And if we'd like to focus on the goal setting features for just a bit, Teamflect brings cascading goals, custom goal terminologies, and automated goal check-ins directly into your Microsoft Teams environment, providing you with the most robust goal setting experience in the Microsoft ecosystem, period. And rolling out Teamflect organization-wide is incredibly easy, because Teamflect syncs all your user data directly from Entra ID, so your teams can just hit the ground running. Because whenever you're rolling out a new piece of software, adoption is key, and Teamflect makes sure that every single individual in your company will adopt the software, no problem. And we can't talk about Teamflect without mentioning Teamflect Agent, an AI assistant that can generate OKR summaries, suggest new goals, pull performance insights, that lives right inside Microsoft Teams chat. It is an AI agent that knows your organization inside out, all of your needs, your goal progress, and suggests actions accordingly, and lives right where your team already works. So if your organization is switching from Profit Go or just looking into Profit Go alternatives, Teamflect is the best if you're in the Microsoft ecosystem. No switching back and forth between tools, seamless integration, no complex setup, faster adoption since it already lives where your team works, and every single feature you might need from Profit Go and more. And the best part is, if you're not sure, you can try Teamflect for absolutely free with up to 10 users with all of its essential features, without any time limits as well. If you want to learn more about Teamflect, schedule a demo, or simply try the app for free, you can always click the link in the description. Now let's move on. Next up on our list is Perdoo. This one focuses purely on OKRs and strategy execution, so it is great if you don't need all the HR extras just yet. You get a clean visual strategy map, KPI tracking, and automated check-ins. It integrates great with Slack, sort of okay with Teams and Google Sheets, and the interface is one of the easiest to pick up. So what's the trade-off? Well, like I said, it is sort of limited to goal management. So if you need feedback and performance reviews that will make the cut, you might need another tool. But for strategy-driven startups that just want to stay focused on goal setting and OKRs, Perdoo is a reliable choice. Coming in third on our list is Workboard AI. It is an AI-powered OKR solution, and they very recently acquired Quantive Results, so they have plenty of OKR features to accompany them. Workboard AI uses artificial intelligence to suggest OKRs and predict outcomes, as well as analyze performance data from its many integrations. While it has many of the standard OKR software features that you would expect from a top-tier goal management platform, such as cascading goals and OKRs, automated check-ins, and heat maps, Workboard AI is still a standalone OKR software. While it is great for strategy management, it doesn't have the broader performance management capabilities that some of the other options on this list has. Still, it is a great platform if you want to build and execute your company's strategy. Moving on, number 4 on our list is Betterworks, and this one has been around for a while, and it offers solid OKR and performance management features, especially for companies formalizing their performance review cycles. It includes tools for goal tracking, feedback, as well as calibration. But what many teams find is that it's heavier to roll out because it's such a huge platform. And it might be harder to maintain compared to some of the other lighter tools in this list. That being said, Betterworks is also a very comprehensive performance management platform with some very strong OKR features, so It is one of the great Profit Go alternatives that you can find out there if you're looking for an all-in-one kind of alternative. And as you might have noticed, Teamflect and Betterworks fill the same niche on this list. They're both great continuous performance management platforms that have great OKR and goal management capabilities, covering everything that Profit Go does. And here's the thing, goals and OKRs should be a core part of your performance management process, because when your OKRs are integrated into your performance management platform, it brings visibility and accountability to your goal management process. So if you're in the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, Teamflect is the better all-in-one alternative, but if you're not, you should definitely check out Betterworks. And rounding out our list is Tability, the opposite end of the spectrum. It is a lightweight OKR tool that keeps things simple. Tability focuses on a quick setup, weekly check-ins, helping teams stay accountable without overcomplicating things. It comes with all the basic OKR software features you would expect from a great solution, and you can connect it with tools like Jira, Asana, or ClickUp, and it is one of the more affordable options out there. It might not be loaded with advanced analytics, performance reviews, or continuous performance management overall, but it is great for smaller teams who just want to focus on goal tracking and fast adoption. Tability can hit that spot for you. But that about brings us to the end of our list. What did you think? Do you have any experience with any of the software on this list? Just let us know in the comments. Share your wisdom. Hey, we release helpful content like this one every single week. Subscribe so you don't miss any of it. And if you want to try the highest rated OKR software in the Microsoft Teams App Store, Teamflect, for absolutely free, you can always click the link in the description. Bye-bye.